Request granted. All right, out at Buckeye today, hole 1. 246 or 270. Can't quite tell. You can see the basket over there. So we just gotta get down this gap and then get over there somehow. Do you see the basket?
Yeah. You're standing right here. You can see it.
Yeah, oh, I see it.
Way
Right.
left.
Yeah, I see it really well. Seems like an easier shot than it was before. Dom's using the Star T-Bird. Go, get through. Huh?
Got through more than I thought it would. Oh.
I might have
Well,
a look from there.
I mean, it was in line. It landed in line at the basket.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to go around that tree to the right. Hard. All right. Whoa,
Well,
good roll.
That was a perfect up.
Oh yeah, his was stuck in that bush there. But now the question is, what will he use for the up and down? T-Bird again. Oh, that looks good. The wind's helping it. Yes. Looks like we'll both have a shot. All right, Dominic ended up with no gimme at all. Probably about 30 feet. Woo. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
My Connor pop. This is what it feels like to release. This is what it feels like. Oh!
Released a little too much.
The wind just lifted it up.
Oh!
Nope, you're totally safe since I just 3-putted that or something. There you go. That's a 5 for me. I think 4 for you. Well, hole 2. Basket looks like it's. Do you see it anywhere?
Not that one.
All right, the basket is somewhere around here. Somewhere 230 to 245. All about the same distance. We're just not sure.
Same distance, but it could be anywhere from far right to far left.
I don't think it's on the right, so looks like it's just gonna be over that hill. Because that goes down, that drops down over that hill, so must be over there. All right, we got a strong right to left wind. So he's using that Star T-Bird again. Good. Not bad. Low, but nice and straight. Truth. The EMAC Truth.
Yeah. Wow.
Somewhere right down there, I think.
Wow.
Just over that hill, baby. Yeah, the basket was over to the left. My cart's just taking a stroll. DIY disc golf cart. It'll be a long death putt. All right, I got no shot at it, and it's a death putt. You see it just drops over, so it's gonna lay it up.
Perfect layup.
Perfect. All right, for his 3. Or will he go for it or will he lay up? That's what he's talking about. He lays up. Smart choice. Smart choice. All right, hole 3 is about 331 feet. You can see the basket the yellow band right up there. All right. Good elevation, good hill right here. Homeboy can film up there. Oh, way over there. Using my maul. This should be somewhere pretty close up there. All right, buddy.
Force.
Using his force. 6-claw Macbeth.
Isn't a great idea, but it's fine. Hit the tree. Hit the tree and drop.
Oh, that's not bad. It did drop.
That's what I called for.
All right, there's his force, and there's my maul. Very similar drives. There's the basket. And he uses keystone. Fuse, sorry, fuse. Ooh, good, very good. Great upshot. Now that'll fight out, come on. Ants? Bunch of ants. I'm gonna take my adjustment there to get out of the ant.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh!
No.
Ah.
Ready. Wow. What a save.
All right. Can he save his 3? What the? Why would he putt like that?
Well,
Were you? Oh, you were cut off.
I really can't. It's not like I can't do it either.
That sucks, dude. All right. Well, it's a tap in, so 3 and a 4.
Everywhere.
Yeah, ants are everywhere here. Everywhere. Hole 4, 305. There is the basket. All right, I'm at +2 and Dominic is at +3.
Bring your other thing.
No, I didn't bring the other thing. Wow. Whatever. This with this headwind, anything's gonna be flippy, yeah? Take it into account. You want overstable. And the wind stops.
Alright, well.
Okay, here it goes.
The wind didn't stop. Over.
Down there. Come on. Wow, even made the force turn over.
Well, it's partially me, but yeah.
Oh yeah, your wrist roll.
Yeah. Alright.
Vanguard, baby. Top line. Almost got it done at the Texas Open. Oh no! What?
Ooh. Well, didn't sound like it had too much ground play, so that's good.
I'm not gonna put it in. All right, there he is. You can see the basket behind that cluster of trees. Let's see what he does. Looks like he's maybe using a hex or a envy or.
Oh! You made it through that.
That would have been perfect. Yeah, that might have went in. Might have been a throw. That was a perfect line.
Ready?
Firebird.
Alright.
Here. Ready?
Mm-hmm. That wasn't bad. I had some. All I can do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Nice. Oh, wow.
All right, hole 5, 300 and something feet, like 305 or something. I am at +3. Dominic's at +4. There's the basket. Dominic's using the musket because he must get this to tie me. Oh, that looks good, boy. I lost it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that'll be okay.
It's too high, but that wind
Pushed
did
it.
some things to it.
All right, I'm using the, I'm giving the Vanguard a chance to redeem itself. I'm gonna go high and around. I wish these limbs were a little more cut back right here. See what I can do.
Ooh, that's a tight gap.
Get past it.
Wow.
Did you see it?
You
Crack
pretty
over
you
right by the
pretty
basket?
much nailed that gap.
Looked a little short, but it's good.
I outdrove you.
Well, we're right next to each other again. There's the Vanguard, there's the musket. He outdrove me this time, and there's the basket. All right, what's he using? Using his Yulee Zone. Wow, perfect.
Always rely on that baffle. Man, did you see it get up there and the wind just...
Yeah,
That wasn't even the wind, that was my disc.
yeah, that Yulee Zone's a killer.
All right. Ready.
Here.
Also, a great upshot.
3. 3. Okay, so it looks like it's C. Should be 220 feet hard right. Right there. See that yellow right there? That's the band of the basket. So it's a hard right. Dominic is using the slab super overstable Innova
Funsies.
for funsies. If it gets around all that stuff, looks like it might be a little short.
Yeah.
Did it get around everything, or is it in the stuff?
Got around everything.
Wow. I'll use the maul again, hoping I'll try to put it flat, or maybe a tiny bit of Anheuser, and I'll try to just have it ride to the right. Oh no!
Oh. Wow. Good. Not bad.
I don't think I've got a shot at it, so I'm just gonna try to flop it over and close. Don't you dare!
Oh. Man.
All right. For the bird. Ooh. Across the road.
Nice.
Problem.
Easy peasy.
All right, I've got a 4. Little old bogue on this hole. See if Dominic can close out a par. Nope. Looks like Dom's got a bogue too. Yep, bogue. Yep, hole 7, 294 feet. You can see the basket right over there. Star T-Bird. And fade out perfect. Good shot, buddy. Fury. Come on. Oh, right, come over by you.
Yeah.
There's mine. There's his. There's the basket. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and use my harp and try to just put it over there.
Over the right side?
Yep.
All right.
You ready?
Yep. Good.
Was that good?
That's good.
All right. Let's see what Dominic does. Got a little forehand flicker he's got here. Luckily, forehand is his specialty. The Yulee zone. And sit. Oh! Yeah, perfect. Went right between the bushes, so you got a clear lane.
Ready?
Oh no!
Oh!
I knew it. I fluffed it right out of my hand. Damn it! Right. For the 3. Boom. Easy 3-easy, baby. Yeah. And for me, easy 4-easy. Which means we're tied up again. Yeah, 286. There's the basket. And we are tied at +5. Found this little plaque for old Gene Ford. Apparently the Dynamo respiratory therapist. Very cool. All right, buddy. All right, Dominic using that. No, he's gonna stable up for that headwind. Okay, he's going with the Sheriff. Big headwind. Wow, look at that turn. Now, once again, I'm trusting this Vanguard in a headwind. Last time it petered out. This time I'll try to release it with some Anheuser and try to give it more snap.
Wow.
And sit. Okay, right in front of that log.
Right about where I am.
Oh, look at those clouds moving, huh?
Yep.
Layers of clouds. Firebird it. I'm trying to firebird it and just come on down, crash back, because I got these trees in my way.
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, no!
Oh.
That was almost good.
That was almost perfect.
Man. All right, what are you using, boy?
Yeah.
The what? Oh, the Hex. The old Hexaroonie.
Let her work. Let her work.
A little far over. Not terrible.
Ready. Wow. Almost right under the basket.
Nice. All right, for par. Ooh.
Yep. Nice.
And for the quattro for a tie to stay tied. All right, 4 and 4, 6 over, 6 over. Hole 9, 387 feet. The basket is way down there, tucked on the left. 387. I'm using a Dystopia Doomsday Discs.
Oh, no. Picture, please. Thank you.
Oh, nice. Middle fairway.
Ooh.
We're trying the new sink today. Just received it in the mail. Thank you to Optic Dies. Or Optic Disc Dies. He's on that team.
Huh?
They're just skimming those things. If it just would have got out. All right, using the Dystopia again.
There we go.
There it is. Woo! Great shot, dude.
Ready?
Ready?
Yep. Wind took her.
Took her where? Look at that. It's right by the basket. That's the best forehand and maybe one of the only forehands I've ever thrown. All right, this is for a 3, I believe. Wow, practically touching the pole.
Ready?
Ah, stupid.
Man.
So stupid. Forgot that was from.
This is a par 4?
No, 1 is in the bush. 2 here. That was. Oh, 2 here. That's for par. Well, not too bad. It was an incredibly windy day. Well, that was a fun round at Buckeye. We could only finish the front 9 since it got dark and cold and windy. Storm's coming tomorrow, so the wind was gusting up to like 38 miles an hour or something, it said on the weather. But yeah, that made it kind of rough. But we both shot 7 over on the front 9, and last time we've only played this course like 3 times over the year and a half we've been playing disc golf. So last time Dominic was +8 and I was +12 on the front 9. So we both shot better than we ever have. That was our best score, even in this 30-something mile an hour wind. So we'll definitely come back and either finish the back 9 or just do a full round in better conditions.